everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today I'm bringing you the Mermaid Mystery Swap. This was hosted by Creating with Jovi and Jesse Journals and Unboxes. I have a whole list of everybody involved, all these creators, amazing. So I can't wait to see my swap, and I can't wait to watch my partner open hers, and they're all posting this morning. So I will tell you what was asked to be sent to the partner was a chunky keychain or tassel, 3 handmade embellishments, clusters or twinchies, 3 charms or a sequin mix pack, surprise mystery item, so a handmade card or a fancy journal tag, and an ATC card. And they really worked hard with this to get everything put together, and then we worked hard to create something special for our partner. My partner is Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories, and I can't wait to open. I've been waiting, I don't know why, but I didn't film this until right before I was going to open it. So let me tell you all those that were involved in the swap. So Creating with Jovi and Jesse Journals and Unboxes, myself, Crafting Rose, Side Gig Crafts, It's a Deal, Kwai Memo Love, Paper Confessions with Cara Mia, Scrapbooks and Memories, and Stay Stays. So make sure that you go over and support these channels. Everybody works really hard, and you can support them just by viewing their videos and subscribing to their channels, and that doesn't really cost you anything. So let's open this box. I can't wait to see what she made. All right, I want to make sure I stay in the screen. Now you probably thought, oh, she's got an Amazon unboxing, but I don't know which side I'm supposed to open. Jennifer. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I'm on the end of this, let's see, I don't want to cut anything. Let's see. She's probably gonna laugh as I'm opening this. All right, so let's see. All right. Is it upside down? I don't know. Okay, well, we're just gonna go with it. So, opening up. Ooh, all right. Ooh, how pretty. Oh, I hope she likes what I made her. This is gorgeous, Jennifer. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. She did use some of Jovi's Mermaid Kit, which is available on her Ko-Fi. No, Etsy. I'm on Ko-Fi. She's on Etsy. Look at this. Oh, amazing. I love it. Job. How beautiful. Jennifer. Gorgeous. Really, really pretty. You had a lot of things to go with the theme, didn't you? Nice. Very pretty. Oh, I love it. Now the kit is beautiful, and you can see these really blue, pretty pictures. These are all part of the kit and Jovi's Etsy shop. Oh, I love it. And this opens up. Oh, look, she put Oklahoma map in here. Is this, oh, that's probably journaling. Nice. She's probably laughing at me. Look at her beautiful work. I hope I'm not off screen. So we'll just flip through one more. This beautiful journal here. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I love it. I don't want to mess it up. Look at that. Oh. Well, I hope you like what I did for you. Beautiful. So this is the mystery item because it's beautiful, you know. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love it. That's really, really good. Thank you for putting that on there. All right, so what else is in here? Oh my goodness. So she made a little chunky keychain. Cute. Love it. Goes with the theme. I love that. Okay. And then what is this? This is, oh, a little tassel. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. All right. And then look, here's some fun stuff in here. Some ephemera, little embellishments that she made. Look at that. How neat is that? Little stamps, and then and this specimen card. Oh, I love it. I love it. And then I don't want to mess anything up. I feel like I keep getting everything stuck. Oh, look how pretty envelope. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is beautiful work. I love everything. Oh my goodness, you sent a lot. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at all these goodies. These sequins. Oh, how pretty. Let's see, I don't know. I don't want to mess it. I think it's taped. But look, it's all sequins. Oh my gosh. You really, really did a lot. Oh, she made some buttons. How neat. You know, I have a button thing. I have not used it yet. How pretty. I need to do that. Look how pretty these are. Your papers that you accent with to go along with Jovi's matches so well. Aww. I love that. Is that supposed to be on here? Oh, you made something else? Okay. You did a lot, Jennifer. Oh my goodness. These are so cool. You used crepe paper. How cute. You had some great ephemera. Awesome. Thank you so much for doing all of this. And then I think I'm going backwards because it looks like the card is here. Okay. And then I'll read that in a minute. And then look how pretty. Pretty. These are ATC cards, I think, but they look like tags. So there's her ATC card. I love it. I didn't put anything on the back of mine, but I did. I think I marked them so you'd know. How cute is that? Okay. I don't feel like mine really measures up to hers, but I've never done this before. So this is her card. Ecstatic when I found out you're my swap partner. I hope you enjoy all the creations. Well, I am too, but I feel, I don't know. I hope you like them, Jennifer. I love everything. It's beautiful. And I did go a little bit different route. So you have to go over to Jennifer's channel, subscribe, watch the video. You can see what I made for Jennifer. And I hope that she likes it. I love everything. This is absolutely a amazing gift. I tell you, the swap, I couldn't have imagined because I didn't know. I've never done anything like that before. And oh my goodness, I love it. I love everything. And so there's more than just me and Jennifer. So don't forget to go check out everyone. Check out Jovi's, Jesse's journal and unboxes, crafting, Rose, side gig crafts. It's a deal. Kawaii Memo Love, Paper Confessions with Karamia, or Karamia, I'm not sure. Might say it wrong. Of course, Jennifer, Scrapbooks and Memories, and then Stay Stace. Please go check him out, subscribe. Thank you, Jovi and Jessie, for involving me. And Jennifer, I hope you like what I made you. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and have a great, great rest of your day.